Today I'm going to quickly show you how to replace this rear taillight on a Hyundai Elantra. In this video you will need your new bulbs, a pair of rubber gloves, latex gloves or vinyl gloves, and a 10mm socket or wrench. First things first, you're going to pop the trunk. When you pop open the trunk, you're going to locate the panels on the side. Now, you're going to take the panel, pop it open to reveal the 3 nuts that hold the taillight in place. Grab your 10mm socket or wrench and remove the 3 nuts. Once the 3 bolts are removed, you'll have to push in and unplug the clip to the taillight. From there, you should be able to slide the taillight out. Slide the taillight out. Locate the red knob that holds your light. Once you locate this red knob, you will want to twist about 90 degrees and it'll loosen and pop out. Push in on the bulb and rotate 90 degrees and it'll pop out. As you can see, this bulb is no good. So you can see the difference between the old bulb and the new bulbs. Now let's grab your rubber gloves and put them on. When you take the bulbs out of the packaging, make sure to wear your rubber gloves. You don't want the oils on your hands to touch the bulbs. The oil on your hands will result in bulbs that won't last nearly as long or may even break. Take your new bulb, find the socket, find which side goes into which because these little tabs are uneven on each side. Push it back in, rotate. Find the slot it goes in properly and rotate 90 degrees. While you have this out, you should always check to see if this other bulb is out. We'll be using these to replace them. So with this bulb, it just pulls out, it doesn't twist, and you remove it from this one. Same process as the red one. Slide it in, rotate, and wait for the click. Then you're going to take your housing and slide it back into place, lining all the pins. Now you're going to re-plug in the light housing. Grab your 10mm socket and be careful when you're putting this back in not to drop the nuts down in behind the carpet. They'll be difficult to remove. Then reinstall all 3 nuts. Once you reinstall all 3 nuts, close the cover, close your trunk, and you're done. Test out your bulb and make sure it works. Now if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Alright, thanks.